Hello, my name is Steve, and in this video I would like to share with you how to add songs to a Spotify playlist, so let's get started. Open your Spotify application. After that, look for the bottom right corner and select your library. Here you need to select the playlist where you would like to add new songs. After you have selected the playlist, you need to tap on Add Songs. As you can see, Spotify will come up with a few suggestions what you would like to add to your playlist based on your previous listenings. If you already found a song that you would like to add in this suggested list, then you just simply need to select the plus icon. If you don't find a song that you would like to add to your playlist, then tap into the search field. After you tap into the search field, start to type the name of the song that you would like to add. When you found the song, tap on the plus icon. And that's it, you are done. That's the way if you would like to add songs to a Spotify playlist.